to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a very rare 1970 Dodge Challenger. This is a true RTSE factory V-code 446 pack car. Very rare car. I think it's one of 700 and some automatics that they've ever built. That's just for the V-code. In 70, they only built, I think, total of these cars like 1,600 and something. And of that, like 290 got the SE package. That's total production. So this, you know, there's probably, 100 of these cars ever built, automatic RTSE. Killer car. This is a AACA Senior Award winner. This is an older restoration. The gentleman we bought this from, we've actually bought multiple cars out of this collection. Matter of fact, a good friend of mine has a 70 Hemi GTX that came out of this same collection. But an older man has had this car. This is a 20-year-old restoration and very, very nice, guys. Very well maintained. It's finished in jewel black. You can see it's got the highly desirable shaker hood. Really slick paint. Again, it's older, but it's very nice. There's a couple little things that we'll point out as we go around, but very nice car. Tennessee car, good solid straight body, runs and drives just as sweet as can be. I apologize about the dust in the cottonwoods. There's nothing we can do. But you can see that is a pretty car. And again, there is the AACA Senior Award winner. I think the original color was K5 bronze. They changed it to black. It's been black all these years. You don't see any other color around on it. Sorry, that's just from the doggone cottonwoods. I think he said he bought this car and drove it, was driving it home when Dale Earnhardt was killed at Daytona. So that'll tell you how long he's had this car. Look how straight this car is, man. This car is slick. It's got the Goodyear Polyglass GT F60-15 rubber all the way around it. Factory 15-inch Ralley wheels. You can see it's got the correct RT rear valence. Boy, this car's pretty. Stock Ralley wheels. Little, you can see blemish there by your door. But there's not a whole lot you can really pick on this car. This car is slick. Front disc brakes. They said the front brakes are all brand new. Just went through those. It is not a matching numbers car. It has a 70 date-coded block in it, though. Of course, it's a 6-pack, carbs and intake, stock, exhaust manifolds, Mopar radiator with a shroud, power steering, power front disc brakes, 727 torqueflite automatic transmission. They have upgraded it to electronic ignition. Very cool car, very rare car. Original fender tag, your VIN, you can probably see it up there on the firewall there. Ethan must have got stuck on the phone here. Original VIN's still intact. Again, sorry about the cottonwoods. This stuff's in real nice shape. This is a factory remote mirror. It works. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. Door tags still there. Door seams are nice and clean. I think this stuff's original, guys. I think it's got the original carpet. I think they've recovered the seats. It's got the bucket seats, stock steering wheel. Of course, it's got the factory overhead console. You can see the dome light still works. Wood wheel. 57,000. That's supposed to be the original miles. It's got the factory Ralley dash, tach gauges. All that stuff was working. The factory AM/FM thumb wheel radio works. The clock is not. Is the only thing in here that didn't work. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4. I think it's a 355 sure grip rear end. You see they got the factory bias ply spare in there still. Jack's still in there. And then it looks like, October of 2018, it actually won something else there. Jacks there, spares there. You can see it's all body color in here like it should be. That's an old Goodyear bias ply spare too. You sacrifice a little ride for the bias plies. It would definitely change the ride a little bit if you put radials on them, but everybody likes the look. Very nice underneath, guys. It was a rotisserie restoration, and this is a car that's just been very well maintained. Like I say, a good friend of mine has a GTX that we got out of this same collection, and he loves the car. Door seams are nice and clean. As always, I own all the cars, guys. I don't do consignment. If I wouldn't put my money in them, I don't know why somebody else would. You know, that's kind of my feeling on consignment. So, good car, not a perfect car, but very, very nice. I don't believe there's a perfect car. I've never seen one, guys. I can tell you that. I've bought and sold over 7,000 cars. I've never seen a perfect one yet. Runs out good. If I can do this with one hand. It's not the easiest thing. You guys make fun of me. It's not the easiest thing to do. One hand and a camera. Ah, come on. Doggone it. Sorry, guys. Bear with me. Ah, got it. Love that shaker. Sounds good. Little lobe to the cam. See, it holds good oil pressure. Real good oil pressure. Tach works. Fit and finish is really nice. We have a ball bout. Yeah, we got a ball bout on the left side. Reverse light cycle. That reverse light is working. It may just be in the shifter.
K&G Fashion Superstore.
Again, factory AM/FM works, which is really cool. Wipers are functional. Oh, we got a on that side. We'll check that. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Look how pretty that car is, man. Great sound. is on. It's just not super bright. We'll check it. Look how black that car is.